Ramadan Kareem. On 25th day of Iftar, we are happy to associate with 4x4 Club and make sure that we can support the farmers who are inside the desert.
Actually, today we are planning to distribute around 100 grocery kits with Eid dress and all. We are planning to go towards inside the deserts, and for that 4 Club is supporting us, and I'm just give an applause for them for this supporting us.
We are joining here with for the noble cause, which we are distributing some Iftar kits to some people, some workers, some laborers who are staying deep in the desert and who doesn't have any major access to the outside.
Thank you very much for the CUBAA team, and as 4x4 Gulf, we are very happy to do this activity, and we are there for all the events that is into, when it is coming to humanitarian or anything that needs attention, we are very happy to help.
This one kit is involved around 5 kgs of rice and 5 kgs of wheat, everything, including some sort of vegetables.
See this area, it's too deep, and we are happy that we are bringing the food for them.